Good morning, viewers. We are going to continue with our solution of our sums on parallel lines. And I'll first start with some basic fundamentals of supplementary angles, which are also called corresponding angles. Not corresponding, but consecutive angles. So I want to make a distinction between consecutive and corresponding angles. Let's say you have got two lines, like one line like this, one line this. They are not parallel lines. If it is cut by a transversal, the angle here, they will be called your corresponding, not corresponding line, but consecutive angles, because there is no angles in between these two angles. What is meant by consecutive? What is the meaning of word consecutive? Like we have consecutive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, these are called consecutive angles. I have been using it quite frequently during our discussion, so I thought I will explain it to you. So if we have two lines, like here, if we have two lines, one line and one line, they are not parallel, they are cut by a transversal. So this is a transversal, and these are two lines, this line and this line. Let us say AB and CD. You can see they are not parallel. If I take sum of these two angles, they are called consecutive angles. Their sum, so this is say angle 1 and this is say angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is not equal to 180 degree. If it is not equal to 180 degree, that means these two lines are so CD, so AB and CD are not parallel. Okay? Are we okay with this? There is nothing. So this is one of this one. You can have. So when these two lines are parallel, let us say these two lines are parallel, and it is also intersected by a transversal. So this line and this line, they are parallel, and this is a transversal. So these are the two angles, this angle and this angle. What are the characteristics of these two angles? These two angles, angle 1 and 2, are on the same side of this transversal. This is called the parallel lines AB and CD. And let us call this transversal is a line M. So it is on the same side. And they are consecutive angles, 1 and 2. So then in that case, as they are parallel, then this angle 1 and 2 will be equal to 180 degree. So this is very important. Which means if I have two lines and I have been asked to prove that they are parallel, the whole thing transferred, that either I prove these two consecutive angles to be 180 degree, or I prove that this angle plus this angle, which is called corresponding angle, this angle and this angle, they are equal. If I can prove those, then I can prove they are parallel. Why I am spending so much time on this? I am spending so much time on this because my next solution is to prove two lines that they are parallel. So let us see those two lines. What are those two lines? Let us take a look at it. Okay, it says that they have got two parallel mirrors, 1 and 2. So they are parallel mirrors given. So they are mirrors, and they are plane mirrors. No convex mirror like this. This is two parallel mirrors. I don't know whether the mirrors have been covered, but even if they are not covered, they are mirrors. Mirrors, what it does, it reflects light. So let us call this AB and let us call this CD. So I can say AB is parallel to CD, given. This is given. Okay, also is given that there is a ray which falls on this, it gets reflected, comes back to this parallel mirror and gets reflected again. So let us call this P, Q and RS. Okay? What I have shown, this ray is going in this direction, reflecting, again reflecting from this, and this goes like that. I have to prove PQ is parallel to RS. Okay? So how to go about doing it? I have got two ways of doing it. If I can prove angle PQR, that means this angle, if I can prove this angle is equal to this angle, okay, then they are alternate angle. So if angle I can prove, if I can prove angle PQR is equal to angle QRS, then it is proven, it will get proven that PQ, line PQ is parallel to RS. Okay? Is that clear now? So let us see that. Okay, what is given? I also know that this is called incident ray. Okay, and this is called reflected ray. And this is reflected ray. So, but this is all is equal to incident ray. On CD, on mirrored CD, on CD mirror. Okay, this is the mirror on CD, and then again this gets reflected. Okay, this is reflected, and this is reflected from mirror CD. Now it's alright with you. Now when it's a ray gets reflected from a mirror, it obeys Snell's law, SNELL, Snell's law, which says that angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Now what are these angles of reflection? Now these are not angle of reflection. No, they are not. What you have to do, you have to draw a normal at Q. Normal means perpendicular. You have to draw a normal at Q. And so in that case, this would be the angle of incidence. So I will call it as 1. So this is angle of incidence. Okay, and this one is angle of reflection. Okay, then similarly here, you have to again draw a normal or a perpendicular. In Snell's law it is called a normal, and but here we will call it a perpendicular. Okay, so and it also says the normal, angle of incident and angle of reflection should lie on the same plane. So it's lying on the same plane. Okay, so and so here if this is angle of incident, I will say this 2 is angle of reflection. Here I will also write down this one then will be angle of incident. This will be, I will put it as 3, and this will be an angle of reflection, I will put it as 4. So now it is this thing. So let us call this thing as QT. Okay, I have not used the word QT, and let us call this one as RO. Okay, okay, A may get confused with it. Let us call this thing RN. Okay, let us call this one as RN so that you don't get confused with 0 and O. Okay, so now this is okay. So these are the two normals, QT and RN. Now you have to, you know that if there are two perpendicular lines on the parallel lines which are parallel to each other, this perpendicular is also parallel. Therefore, QT is parallel to RN. Okay? Why? Why? Because they are perpendicular to mutually parallel lines. Lines AB and CD. Here they are mirrors. Okay. So this is done, right? So I need space. So I will erase some of this except the figure, because I have to use that figure further on. And okay. Now I can write, since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and here also angle 3 is equal to angle 4, right? So I can write angle PQR is equal to 2 into angle 2, right? Because angle 1, because, okay, let me clear it further. So PQR is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, so since angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, I can write is 2 into angle 2. Similarly, I can treat angle QRS as summation of angle 3 and angle 4, or then I can write it 2 into angle 3. Okay? And now, if this line is parallel, this line and this line is parallel, and this is the transversal, okay? So I can write angle 2 and angle 3. I can write angle 2 and angle 3. Okay? Angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, right? Okay, so we have proven that these two are equal. So if 1 and 2 is equal, so 2 and 3 is equal, therefore 2 into 2 and 2 into 3, they will also be equal. Okay, therefore 2 into 2 and equal to 2 into 3, it will be equal. What is 2 into 2? 2 into 2 is angle PQR. PQR. And 2 into 3 is angle QRS. Right? So that means I have proven these two angles, this angle and this angle are equal. Therefore PQ is equal to RS. Okay, no, it's not equal to, sorry, I made a mistake. PQ is parallel to RS. This is what we have given to prove. So proven. So this is proven. Okay. So this question is being neglected by many of the schools and also many of the tutorial classes. Please, I would request everybody to go through this one very, very carefully, because this is a combination of science, of physics and mathematics. So you know how important learning both the subject is important. Now I'll pick up some more problems which are also very interesting. So I will take this time when I am rubbing this board to request you to please like and subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe to my channel, you will find many videos on many interesting problems which may not be the cover either in your class or other tutorials. Okay, and subscription is completely free. Nobody will come to you and ask to pay you any money for subscription. So for that purpose, please continue to subscribe to my channel, and you will find that these are very rewarding. And I have got many what you called a viewer. There are a lot of views, but there are less subscription. So I think some people are scared that they will subscribe and then they will have to pay. But there is no payment involved here. So let me go to the next problem. It talks about AB, a line. Okay. And then this is C, this is D, okay, coming from the same O, and this is E. Okay, this is E. Right? Now the angles here are given. This is given Y, this is given X, this is given 90. Okay, this is given 3x and this one is given 72. What is our job? Find x and y. Okay, what is my first job would be that this one is a complete circle, right? Complete angle. So it's a complete circle, hence it's a complete angle. So what I can write? I can write x plus 90, I'm going in this direction, plus y plus 72 plus 3x is equal to 360. Very good. Okay, 360. So what will happen? This and this add up. This is 4x, right? So y has got nothing, nobody to combine with. So y is there. So this is 360 minus 162. That will end up giving you 58. Sorry, this is 158. Let us do it here again. 360 minus 162. This is 8. This is 9. This is 1, 2, 2. Okay. Sorry, this is 1, not 5. 5 kahan se aaya? See, so advantage of doing it here. 198. Right? Is it okay with you? Yes, it should be okay with you. Okay, you can cut it out, you can edit this thing, but always do something like this, because in the heat of examination, you can make these simple mistakes. Okay, so this gives me one relationship or one equation. Okay? Okay, this gives me 1. What is the other equation I can take advantage? But it still doesn't give me the value of x and y. So what do I do? So I do take advantage of this point here, this straight angle, that is x plus y plus 90 is equal to 180. So this gives me x plus y is equal to, this goes here, so this gives me 90. Okay, now I have got two equations, 1 and 2. So since this is variable in two variables, equation in two variables, which you have done. So how I solve from this? So I need two equations, I already got them. So I'll write x plus y is equal to 90 here, right? Okay, then I will subtract minus, minus, minus. This will go away. So I have 3x is equal to 108, right? I got 108. Let me come it here because it may be difficult to get a coverage here. So I write 3x is equal to 108. Therefore, x would be equal to 336. Okay? So I got this x. If I got the x, I know x plus y is equal to 90. So I can write 36 plus y equal to 90. So y equal to 90 minus 36, that should be 54. Okay, so here you have to come out with the knowledge, even though you are solving problems on angles and parallel lines. This especially I have gone back to angles. So you will see that you have to do in two variables. You have to do and learn, use your knowledge how to solve equations in two variables. Okay, now next one will be again another interesting problem which I would like to cover, and these are again, I have gone back slightly to angles because I found from this R.S. Aggarwal's book some of this interesting problem, and I think I will bring it to your knowledge, so that if something like this comes in your exam or later on in your life, you will know that where you have learned it from. Okay. Now next one is very, very simple. It says it is BD is a line. Okay. BD is a line and AC intersects it at O. AC intersects it at O. So I have joined AB and joined CD. Okay. and what are this is given 55 given. Okay, 75 is given. Given. Okay, what else is given? This is given as 100. This is also given. What do I have to prove? I have to prove then what is ODC. ODC. ODC means what? ODC means what is this angle. Okay, now here I will take advantage of this line and this line being there, and this line is also there. Okay, so I can take advantage that they are they would be parallel lines. It's not given, but it can be assumed that they are parallel lines, and you can, okay, let's not go by that. We can do another one. Let's find out this angle. What would be this angle? This angle will be 180 minus 75 plus 55. I cannot use these parallel lines because they are not given. It's nowhere is given. But I can use this. So this angle, let's call it angle 1. So angle 1 equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree minus 55 degree. 75 plus 55 is what? 0, 130. So this is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degree. Okay, so I got this angle. This is 50 degree. If I got this angle, I got this angle also. That is also 50 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite, vertically opposite angles. So be careful before you use this parallel line and you say this angle and this angle are alternate angles. Don't go through it. Be sure that they are given, they are parallel. If they are not given parallel, look for some other way of solving the problem like I have done it. That's why I purposely showed you this one. Okay, now here also now take this triangle. So what is this triangle? These two angles. What is the angle? This is triangles here that we have used. That sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree, right? That I have already used it here. This has been used here. I am again going to use that. So I will say that, okay, let's clarify that point. So this will be, what will be this angle? Let us call this angle 2. So angle 2 would be equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree plus 100 degree. Okay, that is, this is 150, this will be 30 degree. Is that right now? So this is 30 degree. So whenever you try and jump into any conclusion, that's what I showed you here. Then I checked whether it is given AB is parallel to CD. No, it's not given, so I cannot use it. So in that way, we came out and say this one. Let's solve another problem. And while you are following my video or presentation, when I am rubbing or cleaning this board, please take your time to like and subscribe to my channel. This is important to me because my team and myself will be very enthusiastic if we get a large number of subscriptions and liking. I have got a lot of liking, but I am lacking in subscription. So please kindly subscribe. Okay. Let us take this one. it says AB and CD are parallel. So this is AB, so here A is downside. AB and CD are parallel. And CD are parallel. Okay? Okay. Now C is connected to B. C is connected to B. Okay. So C is connected to B. And okay, then I should rub this portion out and say this is B. Okay? Okay. Then A would be connected to a point here E. Okay? Right? This is connected here as T. E. What it says? It says DCB given 60 degrees. Even though my figure does not show 60 degree, but it is given as 60 degree. Okay? Okay, this is given. This is also given as 50 degree. This is given 50 degree. Given. And another important thing is given. It's given CD is parallel to AB. Okay, it's given. If 50, then AEB, then what is this angle? What is this angle? Now since it's given CD is parallel to B, I am free to use and say this is 60 degrees. Okay? Because why? Why this angle is 60? They are alternate angles. See, in the previous sum I could not use this because it's not given. Here it is given. Now again this becomes now very easy because now look at this triangle. Again I will use that property of the triangle, that sum of internal angles is equal of a triangle is equal to 180. So what I will do? I'll write 180 minus 60 plus 50. That will be what? This will be 110, so this will be 70. Is that okay with you? Should be okay with you. This can become as a part of the multiple distinct questions. Another interesting sum we will take up and show it to you how easy these sums are, provided you know what you are doing. Okay? And to know what you are doing, you should be always practicing and practicing. Remember the saying, practice, practice and practice makes a man knowledgeable and perfect. Everybody practice, including Kohli, including all the cricketers. Every day they are all on the net or in the field and they are practicing, or they are in the gym. So why can't you practice also? So you will see that will take you to this to a knowledgeable, and you will enjoy when you be able to solve any problem given to you. So here again there is AB and CD. This is AB and this is CD. Okay? And they are given AB is parallel to CD. Given. Okay. And then let's take a point P and draw two lines here. Draw two lines here. And let them be Q and R. Let them be given Q and R. And this angle is given as 120. This angle is given as 120. Given. Given. Okay. What else is given? This is given that this angle is 70 degree. This is given, right? Okay. What do I have to do? What do I have to do and PRD is given. So I have to find out QPR. QPR. This angle I have to find out. This angle I have to find out. Okay. It's what? It's a 10 seconds job. Why? Because since this is given parallel to this, that means this angle and this angle, they are equal. Why? Yeah, equal because what is that are equal? Let's say equal to what? So let's name it angle 1 and angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay, equal. Why? Why? Because they are alternate angles. Okay, done? Okay, now angle QRP, that's what it is written. QPR, not QRP. QPR is equal to তোমাকে একটু বন্ধ করতে হবে অ্যাঙ্গেল একটু বন্ধ okay angle so we can know then I can write angle 2 is equal to also 120 degree, right? Okay, what is PQR, which I have written before? PQR is equal to angle 2 minus angle 70 degree. Okay, so what is angle 2? That is equal to 120 minus 70, that is equal to 50. So these are so simple. I could use it because AB is parallel to CD is given. So 1 and 2 information will provide you the solution to the angle. So we look out. So these your eyes will be trained once you do a large number of solve these problems and also revise them whenever you find a little bit of free time. Instead of spending on your video games, which will remain there for times to come, you please take a paper and a pencil, or if you can get hold of a blackboard or a slate and a pencil, and then start doing these sums. Repeat these sums. You know, nowadays you can also find slates. Okay, I have done that. I'll take another one. This has been done before, so I'll take up this question, which is also very interesting. This is again two parallel lines. Yes, they are parallel lines. I like parallel lines. They are so easy to solve. So this is AB and this is CD. Okay, they are parallel lines. AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Okay, and then it goes, A goes through this, A goes through C. So A goes through C. So this is, let's say this is C. Okay. Okay, and C is extended to E, and then this is E goes to F. E goes to F. Okay, drawing proper sketches are also very important. Then it clears this thing. Okay, this angle is given 80. So it is given. Okay, and what is given? And it is given this angle. This angle 25 degree. Okay, let's write because then it confusion goes away. This is given. Okay, what do I have to do? I have to find out CEF. I have to find out CEF. I have to find out this. Okay, now this is point. You see, immediately you will be able to see. So this line and this line are parallel, and this is a transversal. Okay, I can treat this one as a transversal. Then this angle plus this angle, say let us call it angle 1. So these two angles are consecutive angle on the same side of transversal. So they would be supplementary. So angle 80 degree plus angle 1 equal to 180. So therefore angle 1 will be 100. Clear? Okay. If angle 1 is 100 degree, then if I call it angle 2, then angle 2 also will be or is 100 degree, right? Why? Alternate vertically alternate angles. Okay, so again this is where we got this one as 100 degree, this is as 100 degree. So this is 25, this is 100. So look at this triangle. So this triangle, what will be this angle? Let us call it angle 3. Therefore angle 3 will be equal to 180 plus 100 plus 25. That will be equal to 100 by 125, that is equal to 55. Right? So this angle which I have been asked to find, that is angle CEF, would be equal to 55. Done? So matter of in a multiple choice questions, you don't have to write all this. I am writing all this to make you understand that how you arrived at 55. Here there you have only to tick. So this would not take you more than 15 seconds to 20 seconds to do this job. Okay? Now let's start with the next one. So this would be very easy. More you do, more expertise you do. Just like a cricketer, he goes to the net practice and tries and says, if the ball pitches there, this is how my bat will move. And he does it, he sees his video, and then he again goes back to the net and practices. This is how you will do it, and to get an expertise in this area. Okay, here again, AB